morning to all our parents of LKG, UKG and Grade 1 to the Srishti Care Desk Parent Orientation.
Executive Director Ma'am Dr. Meghna Kamal, esteemed parents, teachers and all my dear children. We are delighted to have you here with us today and sincerely thank you for your valuable presence and continued support in nurturing the growth and development of our young learners.
Good morning to all the parents. Thank you so much for patiently waiting. But more so, we think that you are here to make your child learn and experience new experiences. I have one question. Can you raise your hands? How many people, how many of you still remember your first school teacher of your LKG and UKG? Very good, very good. Hands down. Thank you for the response. Children don't remember lessons. They remember the experiences that are created at school. They remember what they have learned from that experiences and how that experiences have made them win at life, lead at life, earn more at life, and then completely settle at life. That's something that they will remember. The experience through which they have learned, not the chapter or the page or anything. That's exactly the difference between education and experiential learning and education and childhood. So the difference is called Srishti World School. So the world has completely changed. AI has taken over. Basic functions, there is no existence for any child. They are looking for something deeply human to be employable. They are looking for something deeply skillful that only a human can do to completely be employed by somebody or them becoming entrepreneurs. So the skill, the perseverance, the leadership, the teamwork. So this is what they're asking. The schools have to change too to really cater to the new age world. And starting early is the biggest key. That is what we're doing. That is why at Srishti, we simply didn't change textbooks and call it 21st century education. This is why our curriculum is not designed around memorizing. It is designed around experiencing. Many schools teach lessons. We create adventures. Our children don't only learn inside the classroom. Our classrooms become the park, which you have seen right now, where you have seen the animals and you have seen some, modes of transportation which they were learning. They sometimes become the lawn. They sit over here. They learn to share food. They sometimes become the garden. They learn science and social with actual tree specimens and a lot of plantations. It becomes the nature itself. You have seen them sow the seeds and you have actually seen them using the lawn to do all of this. So a seed teaches patience, a tree teaches responsibility, and no PowerPoint presentation can ever replace that. The environment that they have, the kind of curriculum that we are having. So you would have seen the children laughing in the safari today, in the animal safari, running during the endurance games, building during the outdoor exploration, playing games while learning. You can see that, all the marked up stuff in the park that they are drawn and fine motor, gross motor is taught to them. They are only playing, no? That's what we think. But they're building attention, they're making decision making, they're doing teamwork, they're learning resilience, they're learning executive functioning and problem solving. So exactly the skills employers across the world are asking for today, we are teaching them here. And children don't learn this when they sit still. They learn this because their brains are active, they're going around and they're experiencing so many things. That is why game-based learning is not entertainment, it is neuroscience. That brings us to today's topic. Experience-based curriculum, which is intentionally designed to match how young brains naturally develop through exploration, movement, inquiry, language, creativity, meaningful play, and rather we don't prefer passive instruction. Because children don't grow inside subjects, they grow in stages. And every stage deserves the right experience. That's what we have seen today. Wherever you have seen a few of the exhibits, you have seen that. So before age 6, if your child is just sitting in class learning maths, learning numbers, learning alphabets, learning social, learning science, writing exam, getting marks, that's not at all enough. So basically we are searching for gross motor, fine motor, problem solving, social emotional skills. These are the skills that make your child win in life. Are we really building that? And through Care and Grow's program in Srishti Careness, we are actually targeting to build that. That's why all of us are here today. That is to make sure that at the age of 6, every child achieves that 100% potential. Beautiful classrooms, they have TVs inside the classroom, audiovisual orientation is there, all that is going on. But we don't want to stop there. We want to really focus and do what nobody in the world has done. The Global First Initiative, where we have targeted upon the brain's development itself. Not only bothering about the height and the weight, but bothering about the brain's development, whether according to the age, along with height, weight, along with academics, whether the brain's development also is happening according to the age until 6. So let's promise ourselves today that because we brought this program to this school and because we are making so much effort for you today, we want every parent sitting here completing each and every part of the program without fail. How is the status of your child? We are trying to define that, right? So that is how we are trying to define it. So that's why this particular screening which you're doing, neurodevelopmental delay screening, which the parent needs to do, and we appreciate the parents who have actually done it. If you do that screening yourself, because you know your child better than a teacher, we could do it at school, but the teacher will mark some wrongs because you know your child better. If you do 2 activities, 1 activity, and you don't bother to do these activities which we are scientifically designed and given for your own child, he will develop only 30 to 40% of his full potential of the brain by the age 6. Third one, get rewarded, have fun. Today we have made you combined with the experience of learning at Srishti, including the parents. We drove you to the park and given you a glimpse of how we teach our children with experience. So those all we'll take care at school. But what I'm asking you to do is solely a parent's responsibility. I hope you can do this for us because we are coming out with a lot of passion. We came out with a lot of innovation. These activities are not generated from the internet or AI. They're researched for 18 years. There are developmental specialists who have designed these activities. Play and see how your child is learning through playing. Once you do this at home, you will understand. Today when you play these games, you'll understand while playing the game, while doing the activity, how your child is learning is something that you will understand today. So let's do these games. I'll be with you and then let's go back home and do the activities every single day. That's our request. before we start the appreciation, can everybody give a big round of applause to the parents who completed the step? Your children are sitting through how many hours? 6 hours of classes. Can you not sit through half an hour of lecture? Come on, parents. Very good, children. It's not another worksheet. So it's a complete technology-enabled, science-backed, evidence-backed early childhood development ecosystem. It works in 3 beautiful steps. I'm asking you to really do that. Families, fun and partnership. Every day at home with one activity, you grow your child. And before I conclude, I want to stop talking about Srishti and want to start talking about you. Every parent sitting here, thank you. You are not choosing a school, but you are choosing a philosophy. And thank you for believing that childhood is precious. Thank you for trusting with the most valuable person in your life. Thank you for trusting us with the most valuable person in your life. And as not as customers, but as partners, we are your partners, you are ours. Every smile we create, every confidence we build, and every fear we remove, every dream we ignite. And at Srishti, we proudly say it takes a family to do that. And today that family is sitting right here together. We are not preparing students only for the next class, and we are making them school ready. We are making their executive skills. We are creating their future career. We are responsible as responsible citizens. We are making them into leaders with kindness, courage, and the next scientist, next entrepreneur, and next artist, next IAS officer needs that 100% potential as a base. Let's create that with incredible privilege. I really thank all of our parents to support us. We want you to get into our energy. So you will see how our energy is in spite of the sun, in spite of whatever. This is our energy. So we'll show you that today. Get on board, and your children also have that energy. It's just that you need to catch up with us now. So it arrives every morning, that particular energy, to this campus. So let's keep it up. And